A gas mower is the most capable tool for maintaining your lawn perfectly, but there are so many options to choose from that it can be difficult to decide. First of all, you will need a model that is about the size of your garden and that you can store at home without complications. You should also consider the flexibility of the mower you choose and think of a self-propelled model if you want to reduce weight. One of the best gas lawn mowers that will make your gardening life a lot easier, with features like double blades and varying cutting heights that let you cut the lawn to suit your needs. We've included details on all of this and more, including safety precautions, so you can choose the right mower for you. To learn more about our top-rated options, watch our video and chose one of the best gas mower for your lawn. Okay, let's start with our first choice. Honda lawnmowers are known for their great engines, and the HRX217DK has a very powerful 200cc Honda engine. This is also self-propelled, so it is easy to operate and move forward with just the touch of a finger. There's also an automatic choke. Ensure you'll get started on the first try, even if you have to pull the cord. This is equipped with 2 blades, allowing you to create an amazing cut, and of course, it has the Honda Versimo 4-in-1 feature set that allows for bagging, coating, ejecting, and leaf cutting. 2 cutting blades ensure exceptionally good cuts for coatings. What we really like about these Honda lawnmowers is that you get a 5-year warranty. That's not something you need to do because user reviews rarely mention mechanical failure. This is a great choice for you if you want most of the features of the pricier Honda. At number 2, Craftsman M105140cc gas-powered push mower. If you are looking for a lightweight gas lawn mower, this is a great choice. The 21 inches blade means it works best for gardens under a quarter of an acre, and a 6-height adjustable deck and 3 different pruning removal options ensure a thorough cut. Like many of the mid-range products on this list, it doesn't offer 2 blades in its cutting deck for smooth coating. It still has a 3-in-1 clip removal system. This includes an overlay feature. An additional part that comes with the lawn mower is a mulch kit, which improves the nutritional quality of any collected grass clippings that are later used for composting. This is significantly lighter than many of its competitors, making it a great choice for those who don't want to move a 100-pound machine around their yard. Sometimes less is more, especially with a push lawn mower that doesn't have its own power source. This is not suitable for hilly gardens, despite their ease of portability. It has an automatic winding motor to reduce hassle. The double lever used to operate the mower deck is also easy to operate, making it a great choice for mid-sized gardens at an average price point. While not the cheapest option for a mid-range lawn mower, the Craftsman is still a worthwhile proposition. It works especially well for users who want a simple, lightweight lawn care solution. At number 3, BLACKDECKER 21-inch 3-in-1 gas mower. This is well known for producing high-quality lawn mowers, with this gas lawn mower being no exception. Designed for small to medium-sized yards, this particular model is sure to appeal to those looking to take some weight off their lawn mowing routine. The perfect mowing experience is created with this mower thanks to the large dual 8-inch tires and front-wheel drive design, which will provide traction to propel you uphill and help you roll on flat ground. It has 6 cutting heights to choose from, so you can do your daily sweep or a more intensive pruning with ease. It features 3-in-1 mulching, bagging, and side flushing, so you can finish your lawn mowing with no extra hassle. Starting auto choke also means you won't have any problems getting started either, making this mower a real all-rounder to consider. If you're looking for an affordable gasoline lawn mower that has all the basic features, the Toro Built 160 is a great mower to consider. At a price like this, you can't expect all the high-end features of a Honda HRX 217HCA, so it's not self-propelled, and it doesn't have an electric starter, but you do get a powerful 160cc Honda engine. Along with a reliable motor, it comes with an automatic shut-off system, which means starting won't be a problem, even if you have to pull the cord. This is more than just basic lawn mowing. It features a 3-in-1 action, so you'll have a 1.9 bushel rear pocket for regular lawn mowing, plus a mulch kit and side discharge options with this mower. Its specialized blade ensures that the grass clippings will be cut smoothly and you will get a great fresh look on your lawn. Despite not being self-propelled, it has gone to great lengths to make mowing easier with this mower. Its 11-inch rear wheels make it easy for you to get over rough grass or hills. Finally, adjusting the height of the blade is easy, thanks to 2 levers that give you 6 different height positions. It has some very good features for its price, and as one of the cheapest devices here, it's great value for money. Taking a quick look at the Honda HRX 217 VLA gasoline lawn mower is enough to tell you that it's a classic-looking lawn mower for homeowners with medium to large yards. Featuring micro-cut twin blades, the BLACKDECKER is 21 inches long and designed to mulch grass up and yield more shredded clippings per bag. How cool is the 4-in-1 versatile system that allows lawn mowers to mulch, bag, discharge, or shred plentiful leaves in the fall? It is possible to combine mulching with bagging when mowing. Through its select drive option, you can adjust the mower's speed depending on the pace you're walking by rotating the dial. It runs on a battery-powered engine. A maximum speed of 4 miles per hour is possible. An easy-starting Honda GCV 190 engine produces the power, and it meets all CARB and EPA certifications in all 50 states. Its self-charging batteries allow this nice-looking mower to start up electrically. In fact, it's hard to think of a lawn mower feature you want that you can't find here. A lifetime lawn mower will last you a lifetime. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us and click the bell icon to get notification and to watch further more videos. See you guys in the next video.